Good morning, Doral Dragons. Let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please remain standing for 30 seconds of silence. Please join us in reciting the school motto.
We are Doral. We live by striving to be the best we can be. We learn by working hard and always doing our best. We love by caring for others. We leave a legacy by sharing our school with others and trying to make a difference in the world.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Kat.
And I'm Monty.
Today is September 22nd. Here's what's happening at Saddle. Lunch today is beef barbecue meatballs with mashed potatoes, a dinner roll, applesauce and carrots, white milk and chocolate milk. Saddle clubs. Gardening club meeting on Thursday from 3:45 to 4:45 in room 105 with Ms. Emiliano and Ms. Chavez. Calling all 6th through 8th grade girls. Are you interested in joining the cheer team? Join Miss Page and Miss Marrujo next Friday, September 30th in room 103 at 4 p.m. You must attend this meeting in order to be part of the 2022-2023 cheer team. Orf Club for everyone. We'll be meeting this Wednesday and Thursday in Ms. Burgess's room 128 from 7:30 a.m. till 8:30 a.m. Rise and shine and be on time. Remember to go to the Doral website to pay your $30 fee.
Sports updates. Football team lost their game against Pebble after a double overtime and only by 1 point. It was our best game yet. Girls volleyball. Junior varsity and varsity combined practices after school today from 4 o'clock to 5:15 p.m. on the kindergarten playground. Varsity football. Meeting after school today in Mr. Walsh's room. Next cross-country meet is tonight at James Regional Park starting at 4:30. Come and support your team. School updates. Next Tuesday is $2 Dress Day and the funds raised will go to the Leukemia Research Foundation.
Have a great day, Dragons.